Need great customer service on your website? IKOL AI Assistant is exactly what you need. Here's how to start using it and make the most of it. Let's start by enabling chat on our website. First, go to our dashboard. Click on Settings at the bottom of the navigation bar on the left, and then click Chat. Here, we have general options where we can turn on our chat. We click Edit, and we can see that our chat is currently disabled. We have the option to enable chat during our opening hours. If we choose this option and haven't set up our opening hours yet, we can do this at the bottom of the page. Let's say we work from 9 to 5, Monday to Thursday. And from 10 to 6 on Friday. We don't work on weekends, so we choose closed for Saturday and Sunday. But for our chat, let's choose Enable Anytime, because we want our chat to be available around the clock. The next field is for enabling the AI assistant, and of course we will do that. Click Save. Now, let's check the website to see how it looks. All right, here it is. We can see the default teaser chat and follow-ups. We can change these if we want. So we go back to Settings. Here we can upload our teaser text that welcomes website visitors and encourages them to write to us. We can also add some follow-up suggestions to keep the conversation going. When the AI responds, it might end the message with a suggestion to explore a related topic. Customers can click on this suggestion to get more information. Let's add one follow-up suggestion. We can also set a teaser timeout, which is the time after which our chat window pops up on our website. We'll select the 10 seconds option. We can also specify our typical response time, but since our AI assistant replies immediately, we'll leave that as is. All right, everything is set, so we click the green Save button at the bottom. Let's check how the chat looks on our website. All right, our chat pops up. Let's try it out and ask a question. Let's say I have no idea what tattoo I want and need some advice. Okay, here we go. The AI assistant works perfectly. And now the follow-up question. Also works great. All right, now we move to the fun part, personalizing our AI chat assistant. We can set up how our AI assistant behaves, deciding exactly how it interacts with and responds to website visitors. First, click the AI icon on the left menu. That'll take us straight to the AI behavior settings. We'll start by changing the general behavior, or tone, in which the AI replies to customer questions. Click Edit, and in the General Behavior section, you'll see different behavior sets. As you click on each set, you'll get an example on the right of how that style works in real conversations. Here's what we have. Nice and professional, which adds friendly phrases and expressions to the conversation. Next, we have sales and persuasive behavior, which focuses on giving engaging answers that encourage customers to make a purchase. And finally, we have expert and proficient tone, which provides clear, direct, and professional answers to customer questions. For our tattoo business, we will go with the expert and proficient style. Next, let's decide how the AI responds to questions about prices. We have two options. Complete sentence, in which the AI mentions what's included in the service and why it's a great choice. Or we can select Answer Briefly to make the answer short and clear. We'll choose the longer version to give our customers detailed information. Want to keep the conversation flowing? You can specify the number of follow-up suggestions. When the AI responds, it might end the message with a suggestion to explore a related topic. For example, if a customer asks about the price, the AI could suggest, "How long does the service take?" Customers can click on this question to get more information. I'll select one follow-up suggestion. Now, let's talk about those unexpected questions. If you want to stay strictly on topic, choose the Strict Business Handler option. But if you're up for a little chat, go with Off-Topic Responsive. We're keeping it open here. We can also decide on response length that customer gets, short and concise, or a broader one. Lastly, we set how the AI deals with difficult customers. We can set the AI to apology and assurance behavior, which makes the answers super nice. Or we can redirect those tough questions to a human. For our tattoo studio, we prefer to handle tattoo concerns personally. So let's choose redirect to human. We save the changes. And here we have it. We've just transformed our chat support into a professional and helpful buddy, ready to support your business. Okay, now that we've got the AI's personality down, we can create a library for our AI chat from which it derives information. This way, we can train it to best represent our business. Let's go to the My Knowledge Base section within the AI settings. This is where we can add documents that our AI assistant will use to create answers to chat questions. By default, the AI pulls information from our website, like opening hours, service descriptions, prices, and appointment times. But let's create a document with additional content. First, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens a window that allows us to create a document. You can upload your business story, your procedures, or anything related to your business. Simply put, you can upload anything you want your customers to know. For our tattoo studio, we want to inform our customers on how to take care of their tattoo after a tattoo session. We'll create the document manually, so select Manual and write a title. Now let's add the content. The AI works best when the length of the document is relatively short, so keep the document within a 500 token limit, which is around 400 words. If you have longer content that you want to upload, divide it into a few separate documents. You can also add a photo to this document, which can help you easily identify it on the list later. Click Save and go back to My Knowledge Base. And there you go. Our document is successfully uploaded. Let's see if our AI assistant can help us out. In our knowledge base, we mentioned that anyone with a new tattoo should avoid swimming, hot tubs, and saunas. Now, let's ask if it's okay to go swimming after getting a tattoo. And here comes the answer. It's clear, informative, and based on what we included in our knowledge base. We can also connect our AI chat to an external website for information. To do this, we add a new document and choose the From Web Page option. For instance, if we find a great blog about tattoo ideas that we want to share with our clients, we just enter the document title and paste the link. After saving, the document will show a waiting status, meaning the AI is processing the content. In a few seconds, we refresh the page, and the blog is added to the AI's knowledge base. You can also choose from pre-built knowledge document banks, designed for specific industries. These contain general information and answers to common questions. If your business covers areas from multiple industries, you can pick and choose what's relevant. For example, if you offer body piercing, add a knowledge base for that too. IKOL, AI for Business.